had to sneeze, sorry. Welcome to another epic adventure we've restored house ones. Dorman choke cable on the International 444. A Edelbrock one I had on here broke, proving you can hot rod anything. Okay, so we need to remove it. Start by taking it loose over here. And that's straight. We're going to do with this one, we're going to cut this one off because I had it too long and it was horrible. Was it hard for you to go ahead and work it?
Yes.
It's because I had it wound up in like a curly Q. That's why. Cut it off right here. Scary, I know. It was an Edelbrock. So sad. Such a sad thing.
I carried that thing around for years.
Sad thing. Alright. So, do I have to put washers on there? No. Am I going to? Yes. Why? And not rip the plastic dash out. Okay. So there's a washer that does fit. So that's not 3/8. What's the size down from 3/8? Whatever that is. You know me, I'm not arithmetic. So let's go here. Gotta put that through. Watch is the wire for that. Okay, so we're gonna pick the same smaller one on the inside and put a washer on the inside too. And then the nut with it. So make sure you put the washer first, then the nut. Look at that. Man, look at that precision. You think my dad might be confused by it anymore? I don't know, maybe. Love you, Dad. All right, run that gem right underneath. Right there.
Yep.
Pull it right out. Oh, good. Let's not hit the starter. All of a sudden you get the... Yeah, probably should unhook the battery when you're doing this. My buddy knows about that. He got whacked by a starter one time. We were working on my... Oh, sorry, I can't say that. About right there. What do you think? Good there?
Perfect.
Yeah. 6 inches, that's about 6 inches. That's about 6 inches and 5. It's right there, okay. That's why I didn't cut hard through it. Well, we got that much to push back through actually, right? Ooh. Ooh. A little tougher than the Edelbrock one. Man!
Whoa!
There it is. Starter. Disconnected.
Okay.
Negative is disconnected. She's pulling the inner cable back so we don't cut it off when we trim the whole cable to the length we need it.
It's coming.
So what I'm doing here is I'm shoving the inner cable back through until the knob hits the stop. So what I'm doing here is a little bit of rerouting, and then I'm shoving that inner cable down through the hole for the choke arm, and then we'll tighten the nut up so we have it in place. So here we have the outer sheath. We're placing it in the holder for it and tightening the nut up. You got to make sure that that sheath is not too far down that it interferes with the choke coming up. You got to remember which way this goes for what, right? Yes, you do have to remember which way goes what for the choke. So make sure you push the handle in on the dash so it's the whole way down through. You want to make sure that that little arm for the actual choke is the whole way down. So on this particular carburetor, that choke is in the down position, and then you have to pull it out or pull it up. So when you pull it out, or you're pulling that arm up when you're pulling it out, I should say, you're actually choking the carburetor, so the butterfly is going closed in front of the carburetor inlet. A little extra. See it down there? Pretty good here. So let's pull up. Okay, now the true test. The whole thing you've been waiting for this whole time. Can you work the choke, and is it easier for you to start? Okay, there's the choke. Wait, pull choke.
Battered.
Oh! Yeah, work the other hand. 2 hands. It requires 2 hands. No. Yes. Much better? All right. Sweet. All right, that's what we were hoping for. Thanks for riding along. Another epic adventure at
Weaver Stonehouse Farm.
See ya.
So if you like that one, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the fun.